You may wonder how some of Hollywood's biggest stars get that incredible red carpet glow. It's called Liquid Gold, and it's a treatment offered here at North Valley Plastic Surgery. This is Camille Gar. She is a clinical esthetician. Great to see you.
Nice to
and
see
this
you.
is one of the treatments that a lot of women are receiving to get that wonderful, beautiful, dewy-looking skin.
Yes.
And this is the machine that makes the magic happen.
This is the machine that makes the magic happen. So we've already gone ahead and drawn her blood, and this is her blood down here, and then here is the plasma. It's a nice, beautiful gold color, and that's why they call this the liquid gold.
So we're using our own blood in this treatment?
Yes, we're using your own plasma. Your plasma is found in your blood. We draw it, put it in the machine, spin it, and pull it out, and this is what we will be using during your serum, during your microneedling.
All right, so you're about to do an actual
we're gonna do it right now.
microneedling treatment, and what I want people to understand, what will this treatment do to our face? What kind of look are we going to achieve?
Well, this is going to start rejuvenating her skin right away. We're going to create little micro channels into her skin with our microneedling machine. Then we'll go ahead and put the serum right on top, and this will immediately start rejuvenating her skin, giving her skin that nice glow to it, start lifting, working with fine lines and wrinkles, textural issues, acne scarring. This is a fantastic treatment for patients who want to do just about anything to any part of their body.
All right, so we'll start with the microneedling process right now. And then the beautiful part about this treatment, as you said, we're using our own plasma that's in our skin, which is so remarkable because that gives women that option, of course, to get that liquid gold look with our own plasma. So it's got to be better than using a synthetic.
Well, it's better than using a synthetic serum. It goes ahead and you're using something from your own body.
So what does this treatment feel like, the microneedling? And Michelle, our beautiful model today, has had this treatment, and you said it's no pain, right?
No pain. You get everything's all numb.
All
you're ready to
numb,
go.
so it feels good. So you do a numbing cream, Camille?
Yes, I do a numbing cream all over her face, and we massage that in for a couple of minutes. Then we go ahead and wash it off, and then we just go ahead and start with our treatment right away.
So do you do the whole face?
I do
or-
her whole face.
Okay. All right, so we'll start with the microneedling. And as you're doing the treatment, explain to folks what microneedling is.
So microneedling is done with a head here, a pen. The needles go ahead and come out, and then they go right into the skin. And it creates these little holes so your products that you're using, or in this case, the PRP, can actually get directly down into the skin. Instead of laying on the top and penetrating, I'm actually making it a little bit easier and a little bit faster.
How quickly will we see results?
People see results even right after the treatment.
Oh, wow. And you said fine lines, wrinkles. So this is what gives you that dewy look that we love to achieve?
This is that treatment that gives you that fantastic dewy look. You get this beautiful glow. This is a wonderful polishing for the skin for people who already do treatments, and this is a great way to go in and work with things like acne scarring.
How often should we receive this treatment?
It depends on every individual, but I have patients that come every 2 weeks, and then I have some patients that come every 4 weeks.
Wow, so it's frequent then that we can get this. And again, it's not a synthetic
Nope,
treatment.
this
so you're
is
not,
from your own body.
Right, so we're kind of regenerating that collagen that's already naturally there.
Yes.
How often should we receive microneedling?
Well, you can do this in between other treatments that you do. They complement other treatments, any kind of laser procedures, any kind of facials, chemical peels. You can do these on their own. People, just depending on what other treatments they're doing or other kind of products that they're using.
And I know today we're going to combine this treatment with some injectables.
Yes.
So for the sake of time, I'm going to have you go ahead and show us the plasma as it goes into the skin. Is it possible to do
Yes,
that?
of course.
All right, so we're going to just take a quick pause and let folks at home see exactly how the plasma goes right into those little grooves. So you made little grooves.
So there's little channels here into the skin, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply her serum, her PRP, her own serum, right directly into her skin.
So it absorbs instantly.
It absorbs instantly, and it goes down those little channels, down these little hallways that I created down in her skin.
How important is combining treatments?
We think it's one of the best ways to have patients have the best results. We like to combine our treatments here for saving time for patients, and also just really making sure that they're getting treatments that layer upon each other and work well.
All right, so there's the plasma.
There it is.
That's step
It's
one.
that simple and that quick.
So now it's time for step 2 of the Liquid Gold Facelift, and Karen is going to be doing an injectable. What kind of injectable are you going to do for Michelle?
We're going to use Allergan Voluma.
Okay, so why Voluma?
Voluma is a cohesive type of gel that actually gives some lift and some contour changes. So we actually look at the patient's face and see that she's got aging where she looks jowly or like things are really falling forward. We want to really pick them up. So when she smiles, they lift up. But we want them to naturally to be there so she looks a little more rejuvenated, maybe look 5-10 years younger.
Okay, so why is it important, and you can start the treatment, why is it important to combine these treatments?
You want the full aesthetic rejuvenation effect in with that.
So what's she doing right now?
So she's actually using a little stainless steel ice roller. One, it's good for comfort for her, but also it helps reduce the amount of any kind of inflammation just from doing the injectable.
Okay, so that's just like like a little bit of a cold, and she's still numb from the other treatment,
Correct.
right? Okay, so why is it important to combine these treatments?
You want the full aesthetic outcome in your treatment. So you want the skin to be rejuvenated, tone and texture, so it looks more polished with the look. You want to use the fillers actually to give that support to the lift and the volume that you once had. You want to rejuvenate the face, at least a minimum of 3 times initially, because your skin cell cycles are about 40 days on the average. This injectable will last up to 2 years. Most people will want to touch it up probably about a year when you see a little bit of aging happening and things are starting to fall. And most of this is instant. You'll see at least 70% of it right away.
And that's what we love. We want to get out of the chair looking good. We don't want to have to wait on that. And this is an investment for folks. I mean, when people come in and they decide to invest in looking younger, it's important that they do a couple of things. You always give us a checklist. What should we be looking for when we go to an injection specialist?
You want your provider to actually have a little bit of an art for seeing instead of just doing technique. You want to be able to look at your client, oh, this side's a little smaller or a little bit lower, so you can use your injectables to actually make them symmetrical. And with that, you want someone that's been trained and not just, oh, well, I think I can do this type of a thing.
Right. And when you said Liquid Gold Facelift, it's non-surgical, so that's always a plus.
Yes, easy, quick, results are right away. Most people can't tell that you actually had an injectables done. They just know that you look good, but sometimes they can't figure out what it is you actually did.
I say, Michelle, are you excited to look in that mirror and look years younger?
Oh, yeah,
right
absolutely.
away. And surgery wasn't an option for you.
No.
All right, so this is the option. So if you're ready to turn back the hands of time and do it very quickly, the Liquid Gold Facelift might be just right for you. And here is a special offer. North Valley Plastic Surgery has their Liquid Gold Facelift special. Receive 2 syringes of Voluma and 1 Liquid Gold facial for a special price of $1,999. That is a $200 discount. To book an appointment today, 480-991-6877 or visit nvpsaz.com.